Sponsored by the Boeing Company and the Kiwanis Club of Cave Creek, Arizona, with students from Bella Vista College Prep and Cactus Shadows High School from the mean streets of Cave Creek, Arizona. It's the Robo Bears.
Over here, it's your number 2 Alliance. Kicking it up, it's 38-53.
Sponsored by Lawrence Semiconductor Research Labs, Cognizant, The Next Great Event, South Mountain Community College, Tempe Union High School District, and the SOAR Foundation. With students from the Mountain Point High School in Phoenix, Arizona, it's Pridetronics.
And in your middle line station, it's your captains of the number 2 Alliance, 498.
Sponsored by Bechtel, the Arizona Diamondbacks, the Sampo Foundation, and the Peoria Unified School District, and the Cobra Robotics Boosters. Students from Cactus High in Glendale, Arizona, they are the Cobra Commanders.
Rounding out our number 2 Alliance, give it up for 32-45.
Sponsored by UIS, Sinclair Oil, and the Waterford School. With students from the Waterford School in Sandy, Utah, it's the Ravens.
We are ready to get things started with finals match number 1. Drivers behind your lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Arizona Valley Regional First Robotics Finals, match number 1. Red Alliance scoring up high, Blue Alliance scoring up high. This is all autonomous action out on the field. Red Alliance out in front right now by 10. Blue Alliance ready to close the gap. 498 comes in, shoots, scores 2 down low for Blue. 77-03, that's the Robo Bears playing a little bit of defense. Blue Alliance Cobra Commanders come on in, shoot 2 down low for Blue. Red Alliance 44-15, Epic Robots trying to score for Red. Red Alliance out in front right now. 498 trying to get that blue cargo. Red Alliance Robot. Westwood gathering up their cargo. Audience side of the field getting ready to shoot. They shoot and score. Alliance partner 44-15 Epic Robots sends another cargo up high. 75 seconds remain. Blue Alliance trying to get in position. Red Alliance continues to shower that upper hub with cargo. 498, Blue Alliance scores down low. Lockout moving fast around the field, picking up that cargo and putting it down. Pridetronics now. They've got 1 cargo. They've got their 2nd cargo. Trying to get in position. They shoot down, score 2 for Blue. We're at 40 seconds remaining. Pridetronics in the hangar. Going up, they're on 1 arm. Red Alliance out in front right now. We are entering the official end game. Red Alliance scores 2 more up high. Westwood and Epic. Epic trying to make that climb. Westwood coming in to their hangar. Blue Alliance 498. They're up and hanging. 32-45. The Ravens. They're on the low rung. All the way to the top for Red is the Epic Robots. We're going to have scores here in just a moment of finals number 1. Looks like our Red Alliance might be out in front. We got our thumbs up from our head referee. And with the results of finals match number 1, our Red Alliance 91, our Blue Alliance 64.